Hello, I didn't see you there. Are you an animator who wants to learn about acting? Well, when you think about it, animation is just a form of slow motion acting, tedious frame by frame acting. But how many of us actually take the time to learn how to do acting? Well, in this course by CG Cookie called Acting for Animators, we are doing just that. You will learn how to do acting as good as me. Alright, I'm just kidding around. It's totally not possible to be as good as that. But here's what you'll learn. In the previous animation courses, you practiced moving your character around. That was the how. But now it's time to get into the mind of our character and discover the why. We'll do this by learning some basic acting concepts and then do several acting exercises that will help you develop any character. We'll also have a lot of fun doing some lip sync acting and work our way up to being able to do a 1-minute solo acting monologue. Learning to act will make you a much better animator. Acting for animators. Why not level up your acting skills? Nailed it.